If you sit for more than 6 hours a day, your body is literally falling apart right now. And the scary part is, you probably can't even feel it yet. Your glutes are shutting down, your hips are locking up, and your spine is under constant pressure. But in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what to do about it. No gym, no equipment, just 5 exercises you can do anywhere. Look, most of us are sitting way more than we should. Office jobs, remote work, long commutes, Netflix at night, it all adds up. And the problem isn't just back pain or tight hips. Sitting all day is linked to weight gain, low energy, poor posture, and even heart disease. But here's the good news. You don't need to overhaul your entire life. You just need these 5 exercises done consistently every single day. Let's get into it. Here's what's actually happening to your body when you sit all day. First, your hip flexors. These are the muscles at the front of your hips. When you sit, they stay in a shortened position for hours. Over time, they get tight and pull your lower back forward. That's why so many desk workers have chronic lower back pain. Second, your glutes. Your glutes are the biggest and most powerful muscle group in your body. But when you sit on them all day, they literally forget how to fire properly. This is called gluteal amnesia, and yes, that's a real thing. Weak glutes mean your lower back and knees have to compensate, which leads to injury. Third, your upper back and shoulders. Hunching over a screen all day rounds your shoulders forward, weakens your upper back muscles, and crushes your chest. Over time, this becomes your permanent posture, and it makes you look 10 years older and 20 pounds heavier. So what's the fix? These 5 exercises target exactly these problem areas, and if you do them daily, you will feel a difference within 2 weeks, I promise you that. Exercise number 1 is the kneeling hip flexor stretch. This is the single best thing you can do if you sit all day, and most people never do it. Here's how to do it. Get into a half-kneeling position, one knee on the ground, the other foot flat in front of you. Now, gently push your hips forward until you feel a deep stretch at the front of your back hip. Hold that for 30 seconds, then switch sides. You want to feel this in the front of your hip, not your knee, not your lower back. If you feel it is in the wrong place, adjust your position slightly. Do 3 rounds on each side. And if this feels incredibly tight, that's a sign you needed this yesterday. Exercise number 2 is the glute bridge. This is your weapon against gluteal amnesia. Lie flat on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor about hip width apart. Now squeeze your glutes as hard as you can and push your hips up toward the ceiling. Hold at the top for 2 seconds, really squeeze, then slowly lower back down. The key here is to actually feel your glutes working. A lot of people do this and feel it in their lower back instead. That means your glutes aren't firing properly. If that happens, try pushing your knees slightly outward as you lift. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. And if this feels easy, you're probably not squeezing hard enough at the top. Exercise number 3 is the dead bug. Weird name, incredible exercise for your core. Lie on your back, arms pointing straight up toward the ceiling, knees bent at 90 degrees in the air. Now slowly lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor at the same time. Go as low as you can without your lower back lifting off the ground. Then bring them back up and repeat on the other side. This exercise rebuilds deep core stability, the kind of core strength that protects your spine when you're sitting for long periods. It looks easy, but if you do it correctly, it is surprisingly challenging. Do 3 sets of 10 reps on each side. Move slowly and stay in control the entire time. Exercise number 4 is wall angels. This one fixes that hunched over, rounded shoulder posture that sitting at a desk creates. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Your heels, butt, upper back, and head should all be touching the wall. Now raise your arms up like a goalpost, elbows at 90 degrees, backs of your hands against the wall. Slowly slide your arms up the wall above your head, keeping everything in contact with the wall. Then slowly bring them back down. This sounds simple, but if you have tight shoulders and a rounded upper back, and most desk workers do, this will be genuinely difficult. You might feel your lower back wanting to arch or your arms coming off the wall. Fight that urge. Do 3 sets of 10 slow reps. Focus on keeping contact with the wall the entire time. Exercise number 5 is thoracic extension. This one is a game changer for anyone with upper back stiffness. Sit on the edge of a chair, place your hands behind your head. Now gently arch your upper back over the back of the chair. You should feel a stretch and maybe even hear some light cracking in your upper spine. That's just stiffness releasing. Hold for 5 seconds, then come back up. If you have a foam roller at home, you can also do this on the floor. Place the roller horizontally under your upper back and gently extend over it. Either way works great. Do 10 reps slowly. Your upper back will thank you immediately. Now here's what you can realistically expect if you do these 5 exercises every single day. After 3 days, you will feel sore in muscles you forgot you had. That's a good sign. Your glutes and deep core are waking back up. After 1 week, your lower back will start feeling less tight. You'll notice you're sitting up straighter without even trying. After 2 weeks, your posture will visibly improve. People around you might even notice before you do. Your energy levels will be higher because your body is moving the way it was designed to move. After 1 month, the difference will be undeniable. Less pain, better posture, stronger core, more mobile hips, all from 10 minutes a day. So here's your challenge. Do these 5 exercises every single day for the next 2 weeks. That's it. No gym membership, no equipment, no excuses. Just 10 minutes a day to undo the damage that hours of sitting is doing to your body. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video in this series. And drop a comment below telling me how many hours a day you sit. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one.